Alright, I have a leaky water hose here, just like everybody has that same problem just about. I found these nifty little hose washers that you can print from Thingiverse. They look to fit. They look like they should fit. We're going to see if it can stop our leak here. Let's see. Show you our leak. That's a pretty good leak. You know, that's about that's a good probably 5% of all the water that would even come out of the hose there. So, alright, watch out. Leak pressure here. Try one. They after you print them, they don't look like they're regular length. It looks like 2 would be thick enough to be like a regular hose washer maybe. But this is made out of TPU instead of, it's not rubber, so let's see if one will stop our leak. Good tight there. Turn it on, wait for pressure to build up. Okay, it didn't stop the leak, but it did. It's not spraying all over the place. So let's see. Let the pressure back off of it. Let's see if maybe, because I went ahead and printed 4 of them. Let's see if we put 2 of them in here, if that'll help. Maybe they're just not thick enough, like I said. Okay, yeah, now that tightened up. I can still almost see the threads on there. So that's about where they should sit, I would think, for a water hose. Let's see now. Oh yeah, I bet you if I got some pliers on that guy, that wouldn't leak at all. It's still leaking just ever so slightly. So, for being able to print them yourself, that's a pretty good deal. Thank you, whoever did that on Thingiverse.